First night.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Hi, Blaire.
Hi, future husband.
There we are. Hey, future father.
Hi, future son.
We had back in the day.
Let's do this.
Oh my god, an old school video recorder? I love it.
Say hi, boys. Say hi.
Hey Blaire. So it's the night before a wedding, and I can't just stop thinking about how much I love you.
So excited. I just want to tell you I love you, and I can't wait for us to build a future together.
I love you more than anything, and I can't wait to see how beautiful you are tomorrow.
I'm so happy I found my forever person. Can't wait to marry you later. Love you. Mwah.
Today is the day that your two half souls reunite as one even greater whole. As in a traditional marriage, Blaire and Matt are standing under this chuppah, their wedding canopy. It's open to all this beautiful wind and open to the sound of the sea. And truly, it is open to all of us to be welcomed into your marital home.
Hi, ladies. Hi. Your maid of honor.
Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing right now?
I am getting my makeup done because I'm about to get married.
What advice do you have for Matt and Blaire as newlyweds?
Disagree with each other about everything. Makes things very easy. Mostly what Blaire wants it to do.
My only piece of advice is that Blaire is always right, no matter what. And if you live that way, Matt, you will have a successful and amazing marriage.
Listen to your wife. And my wife's gonna laugh at this because I don't listen. But that's my point. You gotta listen to your wife. You don't listen.
This is becoming very redundant.
Tell me what you love most about our bride.
My favorite thing is her vibe, and I love how everybody feels that around her and how she makes everybody feel.
I love Blaire's resilience, that she's brilliant, she's smart.
Wow, get over here, Blaire Carson. Ooh, the hottest you've ever been. Oh my God.
Totally.
Wow. Unbelievable. Look at you. You're getting married today, girl. Today's the day. We're doing it.
Here we go, it started. Ariel,
Oh, yeah.
ass is in the air.
You stay out. Get out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I don't want to do it. Slow.
Get the fucking everyone.
I'm gonna get Matt. Let's go.
The wedding party has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. Look at the groom go. He's moving. Oh, look at this first look of the night. Matt, this place is gorgeous. Insane. It's nice. Yeah. Super nice. Look at this. I love Long Island. This is getting real, boys. This is happening. You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready, baby.
The suspense is killing me. Can I turn?
Holy shit. I am luckiest man on earth. Yeah, I have no words right now.
Good now.
I'm afraid.
Wow.
Wow. You're gorgeous. I've never seen you look so pretty. I'm so happy for you. No, come. We can't cry. We can't. We're going to have fun, right? We are going to have fun. We're not going to cry, and we're going to make this happy, and we're going to make this a tribute to Mom. Let's have a good time. Okay. No more. Stop.
How good, how incredible, how pleasant, how absolutely exhilarating it is that we have all gathered today for this moment that God has intended for these two, Matthew and Blaire, to get married. All right, let's go! Now, Matt, have you read your contract, what you're agreeing to?
15 sheep.
15 sheep, and that you're going to always provide her with jewels and shoes. So grab somebody's hand close by. We're going to all say the words of Shehechianu, and if you don't know the words of Shehechianu, it's okay. We'll have a resounding amen. It goes like this. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam shehechianu v'kiyamanu v'higianu b'zman hazeh. Amen. Our beautiful couple met in the heavens, which is my traditional way of referring to dating apps. And Matt had a great feeling going into that first date. And when it was over, he knew he was going to delete all the dating apps after meeting Blaire. Really fast, they got really deep and touched each other's hearts over whiskey tastings, laughs, and undeniable chemistry. It was only after a year of dating and moving in together that Heidi, Blaire's mom, became sick. And Matt, you were there for the entire family. And together, you went through one of the hardest times for Blaire. In fact, in your last visit with Heidi, she gave you her blessing for a future with her daughter. So after tragedy, a hurricane in Grenada, moving in together, parenting two very different dogs, a beautiful engagement in Gramercy Park, bachelor and bachelorette parties, finally, here we are, intentionally on Mother's Day weekend. This ceremony is the culmination of your story and your true love. And now for the vows. Matt will go first so that Blaire can have the last word.
Blaire, I've had 3 of the happiest days of my life with you. Today marks the first. August 2nd, the day I proposed, was the second. And February 8th was the third, the day we met. Over this past year, we've walked through heartache, pain, grief, all together. Watching you face a devastating loss with such strength and vulnerability showed me a depth in you that I admire even more every day. It reminds you that love just isn't about the good times. It's about showing up through the hard ones. And I'll never stop showing up for you. You've made me a better person in every way. You've helped me heal. You believe in myself and see the good in people. You understand every part of me, even the parts I haven't always figured out myself. And you still love me. I can't wait to build our family together, to turn dreams into a lifetime, to live this beautiful life with you. I love you, Blaire.
Am I allowed to kiss him? Resist the urge to kiss. Resist. My love, from the moment we met, something in me felt safe. Like my soul had finally found its home. From the way you show up for my family and the way you show up for yours, you hold space for me. And you make everything feel intentional, meaningful, and full of love. Without even knowing it, our last time with my mom was when you asked her for my hand in marriage. And I'm so grateful to have that memory of that glowing, pure joy on her face. If that isn't a sign, I don't know what is. That we were meant to be. I promise to keep growing with you, to keep learning with you, and to hold us accountable for our healthiest, happiest versions of ourselves. I'm your biggest fan, and today I choose you. Every day I will choose you.
I love you.
Blaire and Matt, turn and face your congregation for a moment. Look at this gorgeous couple. You look so great together, but more than that, you are so great together. You bring out the best in each other, from your senses of humor to the way you live life. As hard workers, nurturers, busy career people, friends, you have so many endeavors, a multitude of projects, and of course you parent Gemma and Otis. And somehow you calm each other down, and when one needs support or affirmation of love, the other is there. Ready to break the glass? You can kiss your bride. Introducing Mr. and Mrs. Matthew Weitzman.
Mazel. I don't even care. How are you feeling?
I feel great.
Yay. I get a sister.
Hey, buddy.
And then I get to steal you. I know.
What's the first thought that comes to your mind now that you're married?
I'm happy to be with you forever.
That's my first thought.
Matt, you're so lucky to have found someone as genuine and kind as Blaire. You found someone who truly understands you, your quirks, and even loves Otis, who's basically the snoring four-legged version of you. And Blaire, you brought so much joy and happiness into Matt's life. So thank you for being everything he's wished for and more. You two really are the perfect match. So let's raise a glass to love, to watching you build a life together, hopefully in Miami. La vida.
day one, Matt just got her. He's calm, thoughtful, and always knows the right thing to say, which is both impressive and a little suspicious. Matt's the kind of guy who reads a full instruction manual for everything, including relationships, and it shows. He's been doing the whole loving my sister thing flawlessly. Matt's loyal, consistent, and makes better stories for Gabby than I can, and is completely head over heels for Blaire, which is all I could ever ask for. And I can't stand up here tonight without talking about my mom. This is the kind of night she used to dream about, and tonight she's here. You can feel her in the room, in the love, in the joy, in the flowers, which, by the way, are very mom. Dad, thank you for going all out. Mom would have absolutely approved. May her love be as beautiful as this night, and unlike Blaire's last speech, captured on video for all to remember. Cheers.
You did amazing.
You did amazing. You know who did amazing? That.
She's been out.
She's been out, and it's really, 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 really cool. And we love you.
Look at all of our favorite people here. So incredible. Look at that.